Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share something very special. The story of how I became fluent in English. Many people ask me, how did you learn to speak English so confidently? So in this video I will tell you my complete journey, the struggle, the method and the mindset that helped me speak English fluency. Let's begin. When I started learning English, I was not confident at all. I used to understand a few words but could not make sentence. Whenever someone spoke English, I felt nervous and say, I remember one time when a friend asked me something simple in English and I could not reply. That moment made me realize that if I really want to improve my life and grow, I must learn English no matter how difficult it look. So I decided to start my English learning journey from zero. In the beginning, I focused only on listening and speaking. I stopped worrying about grammar because I understood one thing. Even native speakers don't think about grammar while talking. They just speak naturally. So I made it my goal to listen more and speak more. Every morning I listen to English podcast and short YouTube videos. At first I could not understand everything, but I kept listening daily. Slowly my ears got used to the language. I started catching small phrases like you. No, actually, that's great, and I think so. These small phrases made a big difference. After a few weeks, I started repeating sentences after the speaker. I spoke out loud while watching English videos. For example, if a YouTuber said, I am excited to share this video, I repeated the same line with energy. This shadowing method helped me improve pronunciation and rhythm. It felt like I was copying the way they speak, and it worked. When then I made a rule, I will speak in English daily even if I make mistake. At first I used to talk to myself. I described my daily routine like this. Now I am going to take a shower. After that I will have my breakfast. Then I will go to work. This simple exercise helped me think in English. When I started thinking in English, my speaking became faster and more natural. Another thing that helped me a lot was recording. I started reading English stories, articles, and quotes. Whenever I found new words, I wrote them down in a notebook and made sentences using them. Slowly, my vocabulary grew. I also watched English movies with subtitle. It made learning fun and interesting, but let me be honest, sometimes I got bored and frustrated. There were when I felt I was not improving at all, but I did not stop. I told myself, fluency take time, just keep going, and you know what? That consistency changed everything. After 3 months, I noticed that I could speak short sentences easily. I started talking to my friend in English, even if it was half English, half Hindi. I realized that making mistakes was a part of the process. I did not care if people laughed. I kept speaking because practice was the only way forward. I also used one more trick, recording myself every week. I recorded my voice while speaking about a topic like my daily routine or my favorite movie. Then I listening to my own recording in the beginning. It sounded funny, but it helped me understand where I needed improvement. Pronunciation, speed, or grammar. After 6 months, something amazing happened. I started feeling confident. English did not scare me anyone. I could start conversation, share my thought, and even express emotions in English. That was the moment I realized that fluency is not about perfection, it is about confidence. Friends, if you want to become fluent in English, let me share a few tips that worked for me. Number one, listen daily. Your brain need to get used to English sound. Number two, speak without fear. Don't wait to be perfect. Speak from day one. Number three, think in English. Describe your action, your day, or your thought in English. Number four, learn phrases, not only word. English work in pattern. Learn phrases like by me, way I guess, you know what etc. Number five, be consistent. Even 20 minutes daily is better than 3 hours once a week. And remember, English fluency is not a talent, it is a skill. Anyone can learn it if they practice daily. Today, when I look back, I feel proud. I started from zero, but I never gave up. English changed my confidence, my career, and my personality. It opened new opportunity in my life. If I can do it, you can do it too. Don't let fear stop you. Don't wait for the right time. Just start today. Listen, speak, make mistake, laugh at, keep learning. Every single day you practice, you are one step closer to fluency. So that was my story, how I became fluent in English. I hope my journey inspire you to start your today. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends who want to improve their English. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video and remember, keep learning and keep